In a world of decay, where time had etched its sorrow upon every surface, one structure stood as a testament to forgotten dreams. No one wanted this house, a skeletal ruin abandoned to the elements. Its walls, cracked and weary, sagged under the weight of a perpetually overcast sky. A rusted gate groaned on its hinges, a final defiant whisper against the encroaching silence. The very air was thick with the dust of ages, each particle a ghost of what once was, captured in the unsteady gaze of a lens that seemed to tremble with the chill of desolation. The journey inside revealed a deeper level of despair. A slow, mournful passage through the heart of the house unveiled rooms haunted by neglect. Ceilings gaped open to the heavens, their broken beams like exposed ribs. Floors once solid were now a treacherous landscape of dirt and debris, veiled in the intricate artistry of spiderwebs that glistened faintly in the slivers of weak light. The wind, an unseen intruder, moaned through the empty spaces, its voice a constant, eerie lament for the life that had long since fled this desolate shell. Then a disruption, a ripple in the fabric of reality, as a wave of pure, golden energy descended upon the forgotten home. It was a silent, powerful force washing over the decay with an otherworldly grace. In its wake, the detritus of years, the trash, the dust, the ruin, did not simply vanish, it dissolved, breaking down into a shimmering cascade of luminescent particles. A radiant golden light pulsed from the core of the structure, spreading like a lifeblood through its veins, heralding a transformation that defied all logic. The reconstruction began not with hammer and nail, but with light and intelligence. Golden lines, like digital sutures, raced across the void, weaving new walls into existence as if guided by an unseen advanced consciousness. A skeletal wireframe, a blueprint of a brighter future, materialized in the air, fleshing out in an instant into solid walls of unparalleled luxury. The home was being reborn, not restored, forged in a crucible of magic and technology. This rebirth culminated on the exterior, where the scarred, broken facade was shed like an old skin. In its place, a new surface formed, a seamless expanse of pristine white and gleaming gold. It was a texture that spoke of perfection, its smooth, reflective finish capturing and amplifying the first rays of a sun that had finally broken through the clouds. The light danced across the golden details, making the entire structure shimmer with an inner fire, a beacon of impossible beauty. As the house settled into its new form, the very ground before it trembled and split apart. From the fissure, wreathed in ethereal smoke and bathed in heavenly light rays, a monumental gate of solid gold began its slow, majestic ascent. Its edges glowed with contained power, a grand and formidable entrance that promised passage not just into a home, but into a new era of existence. This was more than a gate, it was a statement, an ultra-cinematic crescendo to a symphony of creation. Beyond the threshold lay a sanctuary of futuristic elegance. The interior was a breathtaking vista of opulence and innovation. Gleaming marble floors stretched out, reflecting the soft ambient glow of lights that floated in the air like captive stars. Accents of gold provided a warm counterpoint to the sleek, minimalist design of furniture that seemed to defy gravity. Every detail, from the textures to the layout, was a masterclass in modern luxury, a space designed for a world yet to come. In the end, we ascend. A final sweeping view pulls back, revealing the full, breathtaking scope of the reborn villa. It sits, a jewel of gold and white, shining brilliantly in the full glory of the sun. The blighted land that once surrounded it has been transformed into a pristine, luxurious landscape. As birds chart their course across the clear blue sky, the home stands complete. A symbol not of what was lost, but of the boundless possibilities that arise when vision dares to reshape reality.